your steps to getting an apprenticeship with Blackburn College. We have two routes that potential apprentices can take. One route is for those that don't have a job and the other is for those who are already working. Route A is if you've not got a job yet. Step 1. The start of your apprenticeship journey is to make an application. This can be for an apprenticeship vacancy or a course. You can find the best option for you by heading to the Blackburn College website for a full list of options. Step 2. Once you have made your choice, contact the apprenticeship team by email or phone us to confirm your application. Step 3. The next step is to attend an assessment at Blackburn College, where we will check that an apprenticeship is the right choice for you. You need to pass your assessment to progress onto your apprenticeship journey. Step 4. After your successful assessment, you will provide a copy of your CV to our team. With this, you will work with our recruitment coordinators to apply for vacancies that you are interested in. Step 5. Once you've chosen your vacancies, it's all about your preparation. This involves researching the business and getting ready for an interview. A great tip for acing your interview is to have some questions about the business or vacancy that you can ask at the end of your interview. Step 6. The most important step is to attend your interview, be professional, look smart and go in with confidence that you will have built up in advance by working with our team at Blackburn College. After a successful interview, you'll be ready to accept your job offer. Well done. Step 7. Once you've accepted, your final step on your journey is to enroll at Blackburn College and then start your apprenticeship. Already have a job? Then it's a bit different for you. You'll be on route B. If you're already in work, all you have to do is get in touch with our team by email or phone. Then you just have 2 steps to complete. Step 1. Attend an assessment at Blackburn College. Don't forget to bring your certificates with you so we can check your maths and English qualifications. You need to pass your initial assessments to progress onto your apprenticeship journey. Step 2. After a successful assessment, all you have to do is enroll at Blackburn College and then start your apprenticeship. For more information, contact apprenticeships@blackburn.ac.uk or call 01254 292 500.